Okay, this video is a tutorial on how to look up tax records on a property. So what we're going to do is we have a Excel spreadsheet that has various property addresses. And in the previous video, what we did was we found owner contact information. So we have the owner's name, the owner's mailing address, which would include their address, city, state, zip code. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look up the property taxes that are due. So we'll name a column tax amount due. So what you do is you go to a website called the home.bear.org/tax/ and it'll take you to the Bexar County Tax Assessor Collector's website. From here, what you do is you go to Property Tax Search. This pulls up a box. We'll minimize this so we can have both screens in view. Let me move this a little bit. Okay. So what we do on the website is similar to the Bexar County Appraisal District. You can choose different options of how you want to search. So I typically like to use property address. And then what you do is you just type in the property address. So we'll use this first one, the 1434 Saddle Blanket. 1434 Saddle Blanket. And what comes up is this screen. Let me move this over some. This screen. And we click on the account number. And what we want to look at is the total amount due. So in this case, the total amount due is 0. Well, let's format this so that it's in a currency view. Cells, currency, and there we go. So this one has 0. Let's look at another one. For instance, 210 Nob Hill. So we're going to go back. Oh, a little bit more information about this is that you can tell that this has a mortgage on it because the last payer was PennyMac, which is a mortgage. So that's helpful as well. But let's go back. Property taxes, property tax search, property address, and let's go to 210 Nob Hill. And again, it gives us a list. The owner's name is Maxine Hall, P.O. Box 23990. We'll click on the account number. Ooh, Great Scott. So Miss Hall is behind $51,000. So let's go over here. She's behind $51,797.44. And we have no payer receiving because it hasn't been paid. And while we're here, we can type in Maxine Hall's contact information. P.O. Box 23990. So if you wanted to, I guess, do a reverse lookup based off of just one website, you could also do that. Okay, so for giggles, let's do just one more. So we'll go back to property tax, property search, address, and let's look up 2700 Wade Street. 2700 Wade. And we've got Mario and Jeanette DeLuna who live on Wade Street. And they are good with their taxes. So let's fill this in real quick. Mario and Janet DeLuna. They are at the same address of 2700 Wade Street, San Antonio, Texas 78210, and they have 0 delinquent taxes. So that's how you do a tax amount due search.